Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where every home tells the story of power, prestige, and perfection. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most extraordinary modern masterpieces ever built in the heart of Beverly Hills, a $45 million ultra-luxury mansion, located just minutes away from the iconic Hollywood sign. This isn't just a property, it's a statement. A home that reflects success, class, and the highest form of architectural art. Every corner of this mansion is designed to inspire awe, blending timeless black and white tones with subtle touches of gold and yellow lighting, creating the perfect balance between elegance and innovation. As the drone rises high above the hills, you witness the full glory of this mansion: sleek glass walls, clean lines, and an infinity pool that seems to spill right into the Los Angeles skyline. Surrounded by lush palm trees and golden sunlight, this home stands as a true icon of Beverly Hills luxury. From this view, the Hollywood sign gleams in the background, a reminder that this is not just a house, it's a symbol of dreams achieved. Now step closer to the grand entrance, where black marble meets soft golden light. Tall glass doors open to reveal a double-height foyer with floating staircases and a designer chandelier that illuminates the space with a warm, cinematic glow. Every detail here has been crafted with precision, from the glossy marble floors to the custom wall textures that blend art and architecture into one. The living room unfolds like a scene from a Hollywood film: panoramic city views through floor-to-ceiling glass, elegant furniture in black and white contrast, and subtle yellow lighting that sets a luxurious mood. The entire space is open, fluid, and connected, from the TV lounge to the dining area, offering seamless modern living with a cinematic edge. Next, we enter the kitchen, a chef's paradise designed with passion and precision. Black marble countertops, golden fixtures, custom cabinetry, and designer appliances, all coming together in a perfect symphony of form and function. This kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a work of art, reflecting the very essence of modern sophistication. As we move to the master bedroom, you feel a sense of calm luxury. Soft golden lighting reflects off the glass walls, revealing an enchanting view of the Hollywood Hills at night. A king-sized bed sits at the center of this peaceful retreat, surrounded by fine art, natural textures, and luxury finishes that create the perfect personal sanctuary. It's more than a bedroom, it's an escape from the world, wrapped in the quiet glow of elegance. Then comes the bathroom, a true private spa. Black marble surfaces meet white porcelain, while warm yellow lights flow across the mirrors and walls. A freestanding tub by the window lets you soak under the stars with a view of Los Angeles glittering below. Every inch is designed for indulgence, from the rainfall shower to the gold-trimmed faucets that redefine modern glamour. And for car lovers, the garage is no less than a showroom. Polished black marble floors reflect the silhouettes of a Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, and Ferrari, lined up under yellow LED lights that make every frame look like a magazine cover. This is not just storage, it's a luxury gallery of automotive excellence. Heading back inside, the staircase glows with elegance, floating glass steps illuminated by hidden golden lights, leading you to the upper levels. Each turn of the staircase reveals another masterpiece: art pieces, open balconies, and views that stretch endlessly across Beverly Hills. The mansion also includes a private home cinema, designed in a black and yellow palette with recliner seats, dim ambient lighting, and a Dolby surround system. This is where movie nights become private premieres, exclusive, comfortable, and unforgettable. Finally, step outside to the pool and garden area, where the infinity pool merges with the golden sunset. The black stone deck glistens under soft yellow lights, the palms sway gently in the breeze, and the city below sparkles like a sea of stars. It's here that the true beauty of this mansion comes alive, where architecture meets nature, and luxury becomes an experience. This $45 million Beverly Hills mansion isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle, a dream brought to life with impeccable design, innovation, and the pure essence of Hollywood glamour. A place where every sunrise brings elegance, and every night glows with quiet sophistication. Presented by American Dream Mansions, your window into the world's most exclusive luxury homes. Because some dreams are built in glass, gold, and marble. And this, right here, is the American dream.